Namaste friends. Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. I welcome you in our channel Long Live Homeopathy, Kolkata. Today we have selected one chapter, Puberty, Puberty Problems and Homeopathic Management. What are the puberty problems? The great puberty problem is mood swing and irritability. In adolescence, some psychological changes appears like sudden anger, weeping without cause, doesn't want to talk, feels misunderstood. Medicine is very fine, like Pulsitla, mild VP wants consolation, better in open air. Better in open air, then the medicine becomes Pulsitla. Ignacia Amara, silent grief, mood changes rapidly. Remember, in Ignacia Amara, mood changes rapidly and silent grief. Chamomilla, very irritable, cannot tolerate contradiction. Then at the age of puberty, acne and pimples appears on the face. Symptoms are oily skin, painful pimples, and pimples leaves mark. Medicines are calibromatum, acne in young boys or girls, nervous restlessness. Calibrom, the chief symptoms are like this: nervous and restlessness, acne in young boys or girls. Then our next medicine is becoming sulfur, dirty looking skin, heat in body. Then medicine becomes sulfur, hypersulfur, painful pus-filled pimples. If pus-filled pimples appears, then the hypersulfur will be the medicine. Excessive sexual thoughts. If excessive sexual thoughts comes in the mind of the young boys, masturbation becomes the habit. Important thing is this: occasional masturbation is normal in puberty. Only treat if extreme weakness, guilt feeling, excess frequency, nightfall with exhaustion. Then the medicine becomes staphysagria. Staphysagria patients are guilt after masturbation. Why I did so? Why I can't live? This such type of guilt comes in the mind. Suppressed emotion. Then the next medicine is agnus castus. Weakness after loss of semen. Low confidence. If low confidence is there, then medicine becomes agnus castus. Caladium. In caladium patients, sexual desire is very strong. Mental dullness after indulgence. Then the caladium becomes a medicine. Now we will talk about the behavior, aggressive behavior. The symptoms are talk back, anger with violence, breaks things. Medicine is nux vomica, angry, ambitious, easily offended. Angry, ambitious, but easily offended. Then our next medicine is belladonna. Sudden rage, red face with heat. The medicine will be belladonna. Low confidence with sinus. Low confidence and sinus is there, then the medicine will be Beretta carbonica. Immature behavior, fear of people, then the Beretta carb will be the medicine. Silesia. Silesia patients are very timid, lack of confidence. Then Silesia will help you a lot. Irregular menses in girls. Medicines will be sepia. Sepia symptoms are irritable, hormonal imbalance. If hormonal imbalance is there, then the sepia will be the medicine. Pulsatilla, delayed periods, menses, emotional type. Then the medicine will become Pulsatilla. Friends, some red line symptoms. Severe depression, self-harm thoughts, severe eating disorder and addiction. General advice for puberty: take balanced diet, outdoor games, do meditation, open communication, avoid shaming, don't get shamed. Friends, hope that you will like this video and share with your nearest and dearest friends. Please subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hahnemann.